Hi everyone, how are you? I hope this message finds you well on this very rainy Monday morning. I'm in, or is it Monday? Yeah, it's in Monday. It's Monday. I'm in LA doing a bunch of stuff for the open textbook revolution kind of stuff so that people don't pay for textbooks. And so I'm looking out the window and I'm about to go to a meeting at CSU Channel Island, and it's like there is the storm of the century, and I don't have an umbrella. Yay me. Okay, so what we're doing this week, though, is you just wrapped up sociological research. You thought about the ethical concerns. Hopefully, you learned a little bit about how we did some crummy things as researchers throughout history, and so that's why ethics are really important. Now you're moving into culture. Culture is really fun. Culture is one of those things that is something that we kind of take for granted, right? It's like the water the fish swims in. That's everybody's favorite analogy, and I think it makes sense because basically we don't really know we're like affected by our culture until it's obvious that we're in a different culture, I guess you could say. And so if you've ever traveled or if you weren't born here and now you're living here, you may have some of that experience. But you get to watch the Lost Boys of Sudan clip, which is sort of funny. It kind of goes over culture and interesting to think about cultures that are more cultures of individualism versus cultures that are more communal. And what I would say is ethnocentrism, like thinking our culture is better than others. So you're going to learn about all of that this week. I think it's a really great subject to start sociology with. So enjoy that. I got to get on the road in the hurricane, so I got to go to my meeting. But I just wanted to do a Monday check-in as I like to do, and I will see you on the forum post. So take good care, and thanks for thinking sociologically with me this semester.